Ground Beef Sukiyaki Rice Bowl ひき肉すき焼き丼。90g of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120g of water to the rinsed rice. Add half tablespoon of sake for taste the rice. It's optional. Mix well, then cook the rice. $30g of Japanese long onion. Slice diagonally. $100g of farm tofu. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Drain lightly before cutting. $30g of spinach. Roughly chop. Blanch for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Drain well. One tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1.5 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. A dash of 味の素. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the fry pan well. Add the cut Japanese long onion. Cook until slightly brown. $100g of ground beef. Add the sauce made earlier. Add the cut tofu. Flip the tofu occasionally to let it absorb the flavor. Add the spinach. Since it has less bitterness, skipping the pre-boiling is okay. Simmer until the liquid is slightly reduced. Arrange the sukiyaki ingredient on top of the rice in a bowl. 1 egg yolk for raw consumption or soft boiled egg if raw eggs are not safe. 今日の料理はひき肉のすき焼き丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.